devastating collision over Washington, D.C. has left an entire nation in mourning. On the evening of January 29, 2025, American Airlines Flight 5342, a regional jet operated by PSA Airlines, collided mid-air with a U.S. Army Blackhawk helicopter. The tragic accident occurred near Reagan National Airport. Both aircraft plunged into the icy waters of the Potomac River, claiming the lives of all on board. Flight 5342 carried 60 passengers and 4 crew members, including members of the U.S. figure skating community. The Blackhawk helicopter had 3 U.S. Army soldiers on a training flight. Rescue efforts involving 300 personnel have faced harsh conditions with water temperatures near freezing. Reagan National Airport remains closed, and investigations are underway by the NTSB, FAA, and the U.S. Army. Witnesses described seeing sparks and hearing a loud bang before the crash. President Trump and other officials have expressed their condolences and pledged support for the ongoing investigations. This incident highlights the dangers of congested airspace, and our hearts go out to all affected by this tragedy.